afternoon. We welcome you for our ongoing program, Our Environment, Our Lifeline. We shall start the program in few minutes' time. Good afternoon, good afternoon. We welcome you for our ongoing program, Our Environment, Our Lifeline. CPR Environmental Education Center welcomes you for our ongoing program, Our Environment, Our Lifeline. Today, the topic is the elephant in connection with World Elephant Day. Elephants are the largest land animals on earth. These massive creatures are some of the most intelligent animals on our planet. The word elephant comes from the Greek word elepas, which means ivory. There are three different species of elephant: the African savanna elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. Elephants are known for their large ears, tusks made of ivory, and their trunks, which are actually a fusion of their nose and upper lip. The average lifespan of an elephant is from 50 to 70 years. Male African elephants can reach 3 meters tall and weigh between 4,000 to 7,500 kilograms. Asian elephants are slightly smaller, reaching 2.7 meters tall and weighing 3,000 to 6,000 kilograms. Elephants are highly social animals with incredible memories. It is really true that elephants never forget. Elephants are known to display complex behavior, indicating that they feel empathy for others and are capable of demonstrating other emotions, including grief. Elephants can get sunburned. These giants bathe in mud to help protect their skin from the sun. They also do that to keep bugs off. Elephant tusks have a variety of uses: as a tool to dig for food or water, and to strip bark from trees, as a weapon in battles with rivals, and as a courtship aid. The larger his tusk, the more attractive a male elephant may appear to a female. Female elephants live in groups, all related and led by a matriarch, usually the oldest in the group. She will decide where and when they move and rest, day to day and season to season. Males leave the family unit between the ages of 12 to 15 and may lead solitary lives or live temporarily with other males. Cultural depiction of elephant in India. Elephants have figured prominently in paintings and sculptures through the ages. The animal is traditionally associated with royalty and pride. Elephants in warfare. War elephants were predominantly male animals and probably tuskers, known as tank of the ancient world. Their main use to trample the enemy and break through the ranks. One of the earliest mentions of elephants in warfare is in the epic Mahabharata, which describes the animal as the occasional mount of kings and princess. Zoo elephants. Elephants are also confined to zoos where they are used as objects of exhibition rather than of conservation. The modern concept of zoological gardens portrays the zoos as conservation centers. Often, they are kept in chains without any social activity. They are also used for giving pleasure rides to children and confined to small spaces. The longevity of the elephants gets reduced when they are kept in zoos, especially in unfavorable conditions. Cruelty to elephants. The elephant is a wild animal. It is tamed and trained in a very cruel manner in order to make it work or entertain. The elephant is controlled by sharp and cruel bull hooks or the goad, ankusha. Even baby elephants are not spared this cruelty. Temple elephants. Elephants in India are widely used in temple festivities in many towns and villages. They gradually assumed cultural and religious association in due course and became a part of temple worship. In the temples, the elephants are chained and kept confined to one spot, which causes them untold suffering. The elephants often develop wounds and arthritis of the leg. Tourist elephants. Elephants are also used in the tourism industry. Tourist rides are popular in the states which promote an ethnic flavor for tourism. The elephants are forced to carry tourists up and down the hills several times a day in hard desert conditions and poor living facilities, food, or care. The priority is earning money, not looking after the animal. They suffer from many ailments ranging from knee pain to wounds and infections. Circus elephants. While the public, especially children, may enjoy the performance of circus animals, it is a painful experience for them. A magnificent elephant is made to perform acrobatics. The entire weight of the animal is put on one or two legs, whereas nature has given four pillar-like legs to distribute its weight. The animal undergoes great agony and pain. The circus elephants are also relocated from place to place through long, arduous railway journeys as the circus moves across the country. Threats to elephant: habitat loss and fragmentation, illegal hunting and trade, capture of the wild elephants for domestic use, human-elephant conflict. Project Elephant is a central government sponsored scheme launched in February 1992. Through the Project Elephant scheme, the government helps in the protection and management of elephants to the states having wild elephants in a free-ranging population. It ensures the protection of elephant corridors and elephant habitat for the survival of the elephant population in the wild. This elephant conservation strategy is mainly implemented in 16 of 28 states or union territories in the country, which includes Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Kerala, Karnataka, Meghalaya, Maharashtra, Nagaland, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Elephant reserves in India. There are around 32 elephant reserves in India. The very first elephant reserve or elephant sanctuary was the Singbam Elephant Reserve of Jharkhand. Elephant population in India. According to recent reports, the elephant population in India is demonstrating a stable trend across elephant reserves in India. The population of elephants in the year 2012 was estimated at 31,368, while it had fallen to 27,312 in 2017. The elephant population of India was 27,682 in 2007. The average population throughout the period was about 26,700. Differing counts have been attributed to a difference in counting methods. Some states such as Manipur, Mizoram, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and Andaman and Nicobar had reported sightings for the first time in 2017. Save the cultural icon from extinction. According to the Hindu cosmology of ancient India, wisdom is represented by the elephant in the form of the deity Lord Ganesha, one of the most popular gods in the Hindu religion, with a very distinctive human form and head of an elephant. Elephants have so much been part of India's history and cultural heritage that protecting and ensuring the survival of this animal means much more than protecting just another endangered species. It is more like protecting an icon which has come to symbolize India. Posters developed by CPR Environmental Education Center. Booklet on the elephant. The resource materials can be obtained by sending a request through email. Write your suggestions and feedback to our official email ID cpreec@gmail.com.